Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Red Dead Redemption on Nintendo Switch. You can now experience the iconic Western saga, originally released over a decade ago, directly on your portable console. This version comes complete with the thrilling Undead Nightmare expansion, offering hours of additional content. It's a fantastic opportunity to revisit John Marston's epic journey or discover it for the very first time, wherever you are. Acquiring Red Dead Redemption for your Switch is straightforward. You can buy the game digitally through the Nintendo eShop, which is convenient and immediate. Alternatively, a physical cartridge version is also available from retailers if you prefer a tangible copy. Remember, the digital download requires approximately 11 gigabytes of free space on your console or micro SD card, so plan accordingly before you begin your download. The gameplay experience on the Nintendo Switch is quite robust. Red Dead Redemption runs smoothly at a consistent 30 frames per second, providing a stable visual experience. You can enjoy the game seamlessly in both handheld mode, perfect for gaming on the move, and docked mode on your television for a larger screen experience. This port delivers the complete single-player story and all its additional content without compromise. To maximize your enjoyment, consider a few tips. For extended play sessions, a Nintendo Switch Pro controller can offer enhanced comfort and precision over the Joy-Cons. Feel free to explore the in-game settings to fine-tune your visual preferences and controls to your liking. Most importantly, take your time to immerse yourself in the vast, detailed open world and its compelling narrative, enjoying every moment of your Western adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.